about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
Warm welcome, and yes, we are lost again. I've lost count how many times I've got lost, but I did get a tip off coming through this place. It's a little estate road, guys, and it's getting a bit wild, but we'll try and find our way through. Let's crack on with this adventure. Instead of horsebacks go by. I'm in a really tight lane. It's an estate road. My other camp was just over the road there. I pulled into this one, got my chips and my scallops and my steak pie. What's he doing? My scallops and steak pie, just had that, was lovely. I've come onto this state road now. This leads all the way back down to the back of Loch Doon, where I was a couple of camps ago. So I can divert round there and get back on the route that I wanted to, and head my way back down south. So lovely spot this is. It's in a natural wood as well. It's not the Galloway forest. It's like a natural woodland. And I'll take you outside for a quick peek before we move on up this lovely estate road and see what's up here, eh? Lovely. Hey baby. Right, just show you where I am, guys. Oh, again, got my own little picnic area. Look at this. Lovely jubbly, eh? We're in a natural woodland. So it's a natural woodland. This is an estate road, guys. You're allowed to come up it. Just ask the local as well. I always check with locals just to make sure. And lovely little area to have a morning cup of tea. Here's Skye enjoying it. It's gone a bit cooler now, which is nice. I think it's about 5-6 o'clock. Beautiful. Got lovely woodland there. I might get my trail cameras out and have a look, see what's about. A lovely meadow here with all the buttercups. How pretty is that, guys? I wonder if there's any red squirrels here. Still not seeing a red squirrel. Look at that sky. Oh, bonkers, eh? Here we are. Tucked away, lovely. Lovely forest walks up there. I think these are rhododendrons. Beautiful, eh? What a lovely walk. You can see it's an estate by the well-trimmed roads, guys, and everything. Lovely forest down there. There's less midges down here as well, because we're away from the waterways as such. Though there is a loch behind us. We'll have a wee look at that. Look at these lovely, I think they're rhododendrons, so put me right if I'm wrong, guys. Nutter, can't catch a fly. Well, just up the road from the van, this is supposed to be a wee loch. But as you can see, guys, it's all dried up. There's a couple of islands on it there, but there's no water in it. Is that because we've had a dry winter? And most of the burns and the rivers are really low now. But I wonder if there's water in here when it's winter. It's only a wee little loch, but it's on the map on Google Earth as a loch. Christine's just down the estate road there. Oh, nothing like an evening walk to work off a dinner. Oh, that pie and scallops are lovely. Right, a little walk up and down. I'm going to go through the estate road now because I know it goes parallel to the River Doon, which runs down to Loch Doon. So we're going to have a look down there so we can find somewhere to park for tonight. I park here, it's lovely, lovely spot. Lots of birds about. You don't see any squirrels. We'll get back to Christine and we'll go for a meander down this estate road. Lovely. It's a local that told me about this, guys. That's what happens when you hang about for a bit and speak to the locals. The roads of discovery, eh? What do you think, Skye? Have a look at this, guys. I'll show you where I am. Down this estate road. I've just been speaking to a local that I met earlier on today, down in the village. Glen. Thanks, Glen. He said there's actually no route through to Lochdoon. He says, but there is a way you can get through, so we'll have a look at that. Private, no fishing. Just show you this view that I'm looking at the moment, guys. Is it Craig and Gillian Estate? Craig Gillian Estate, apparently. And is Christine there on this lovely little bridge. All these rhododendrons anywhere. Typical of an estate with all the flowers everywhere, guys. And it's absolutely stunning. Lovely river running through there. This is the Toon Burn or Toon River, I believe. Running through the valley there. And over the other side. This is even more stunning. Look at that. Wow. How beautiful is that? How idyllic. Beautiful. Absolutely breathtaking. Birds are singing. Right, so as I say, I'm not sure whether we can get through, but you know me, guys, we'll have a go in Christine. As we push on, that's the estate mansion there we're going by, I believe. This is absolutely stunning. And it's getting wider and wider. There's a junction here. I'm not quite sure which way to go here. They're all dirt tracks as well. There's plenty of park ups in here, but I wouldn't dream of parking up on an estate road, not without permission from the landowner. So, you know, I wouldn't park up here at all, but we'll find somewhere further on. Right, I can see a lady on a horse. Just lost her. I asked that lovely lady on the horse if I can get through to Lochdoon, and she said it's behind me, so I'll go turn around and go on the road behind me. Thank you, lovely locals. Right, the road is... Again, we're going a little bit off track here. The road's getting pretty bad here again. It's... this is what you call... pushing your way through, guys, all these potholes and everything. We'll keep running down here. The lady did say I could get through down here, the lovely lady on the horse. So we'll keep pushing on, guys, and see what's up ahead. There's always a surprise up ahead. The gate that we have to open, guys, which I've done here on this wee wooden bridge. Look at this. It's not beautiful or what? A wooden bridge, only in Scotland. Glorious. Bloody awesome. Right, let's get back across and shut the gate behind me. This is all part of Glen, guys, I believe, part of the estate, and it's bloody awesome. Then we got to go up there, the road to Lochdoon. Oh, there's a sign here. There you go. Welcome to the amazing Glen. You can walk through there if you want the day here. It's parking over there by the river. Beautiful. Right, let's get over this bridge. Whoops. Let me break off first, Stephen. Old rickety wooden bridge. Oh, no, rather. Collapse all. Look at the chains rattling. The bridge is actually moving. The chains rattling, guys. Oh, blimey. I don't know how much to turn that off for the bridge. Oh, it's quite steep up there. Just shut the gates. Glen, guys, another paradise. Obviously we're in Aire at the moment, just outside the lovely town where I've been for tonight. How beautiful is this? Another hidden gem. It is absolutely stunning. Christine there through the Glen. Somebody said to me once, there's no Glens in Galloway or Ayrshire. This is a Glen, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. That runs through the Glen there, and all the lovely walks up there. Wow, what a place! What a magnificent place! You wouldn't know this was here, guys. This is not a no bloody tourist trap. A beautiful river. That's the River Toon. Meandering through the valley. Beautiful. What a magical place. Skye? Hey? Skye? Dinner tonight, I've got some potato salad that I've done there with some mayo and some peppers. I've got strawberries for after with cream. And we've got some, I don't know if you can see those guys, light's not really good, chicken kebabs in my little mini fryer thing, cooking away. I'm on my temporary stove at the moment because I've run out of gas. Always have a backup system, guys, just in case. Lovely jubbly. We'll have strawberries and cream after as well. Lovely jubbly. All the windows open, keeping us nice and cool. It's got a car parked by me. I've just gone over there for a walk over by the river. I might jump in the river after dinner. What's Skye doing? What's she doing? Can you see her around there? I can't see her, guys. Lovely jubbly. So that's my dinner. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And I might have a Guinness. Well, there you go. Sticky chicken, skewers, potato salad, loads of crusty bread and butter, and a can of Guinness. Lovely jubbly. Alright guys, try and give you some bearings of where I've been and what I'm doing the last couple of days. This is Lochadoon here, so it's in Ayrshire. That's the Ayrshire border there. That's Ayrshire. That's South Ayrshire over here. And this is Galloway and Dumfries all down here. So we're just across the border there. I stayed a couple of nights there on Lochadoon, which is lovely. We had a look at the castle there, beautiful camp. Then I came up here a couple of nights ago to Delmalington, again, lovely town. Not a tourist town, but fish and chip shop, pubs, lovely. 2 shops, 3 or 4 shops, charity shops, so lots there, guys. And I parked there last night, lovely, where we did a bit of magnet fishing. And then I've come, on the advice of a local, down this blue track here. Can you see that blue line track? That leads into this private estate which we're in now. And there's nothing about Ness Glen in here, guys, so it's not even on the bloody map. So it just shows you, if you have a chat to the locals or have a round when you do these lay-by camps like I do, you find out all this brilliant information. So what I need to do now is come down this blue track road here. There's quite a few tracks leading off as well. So you've got to know where you're going, and this is where the beautiful Ness Glen is, where we're at now. Loads of walks here, guys, but I'm going to crack on now. Back down to Lochadoon. We're going to get back on the main A713 here, back through Delmalington. We're going to cut across the Ayrshire forest there and work our way back down into Galloway on the A76. Coming through Galloway here, we'll head down, probably stop at a few places here because I haven't done this road yet, this side of Galloway. So this is my last corner of Galloway to cover, and back down into Dumfries and work our way out of Galloway that way. So lovely, guys. Ness Glen in Delmalington, a hidden gem just in there somewhere. It ain't on no maps. That's what we find on Country Van Life. Beautiful, eh? Bloody stunning. Right guys, we're heading out to the Glen now, down deep there in the valley. Getting back up onto the main road now, up towards Loch Doon. Oh, here we are, the junction. Loch Doon is up there over that gorgeous valley there, guys. Loch Doon is a beautiful place. We're going to head back down to the main drag now, head back over the Galloway border from Aire. So we're just on the border here, guys, and we're going to pop over the hill there and back down into the lovely Glen. Here we go. This has been one of my favourite camps down here by the bridge, guys. You know this one, we've been here before. Beautiful camp right by the riverside. Anyway, back on the main road and on we go. Right, we're rolling on now, heading, we've come across the Aire, Dumfries and Galloway border, guys. And look at this amazing road. This is probably one of the most beautiful roads I've been on in Galloway. How'd you fancy riding a motorbike down here? 1000 cc's between your legs and racing through these beautiful tarmac valley roads. Absolutely stunning. I'm actually rolling down here, guys, at the moment. We've got her out of gear and we're just pounding down the mountainside, down the hillside into the bottom of the Glen. What an astonishing road. It goes for about 5-6 miles. Beautiful. Galloway!